This is the design I've come up with because structurally I feel like this thing here, it's pretty flimsy. And although, you know, it's not bad, I just don't like, there's nothing here. Something enters over here and it's going to hit whatever. There's no reason that we can't print these extra pieces in here. And in fact, there's no reason that we couldn't just make this stupid thing like mostly solid right here. And wherever it needs to be. There's no reason. It's just plastic, you know, it ain't no big deal. Let's just add more to it. What I want to do, I do not know how to manipulate the software without starting from scratch. I want this flat. I don't want this bend in here. I don't know how to do it in tinkercad. I don't think there is a way. But if you do know, let me know. The only reason for this little thing here is so that you can put straps here. And same with these. So these are cool features, but I would actually rather not have that there and rather not have that there. Have it straight across with a piece in between. So what I might do is design another piece in between, and then it'll just be like a little notch. And then you can just attach things there. What I'm trying to do is come up with a radically redesigned product to my liking they can legally sell. Also, something that just actually works better. There's nothing wrong with this design, but I want to change it. So, the shape on the end I should probably just start from scratch because I want to change the shape on the end also, and yeah, so there's only so much I can do in this software here without, like, I'm still basically plagiarism, more or less. And this is somebody else's design. I'm just sitting here screwing around with it. It's still basically their design. And who knows if the guy that I got it from, who got it from the other guy, is the guy that originally designed it. Apparently, originally they intended for little rubber pads to be right here. I don't know. So, I'd rather these pieces here be vertical, horizontal, not vertical. I don't want to tie things across them, you know. So, anyway, my other design was I put a bar across here so you could reach in and tie off of it. And, you know, so basically these ones here stick out further so you can put a nice little piece across there and you'll be able to attach to it.